Today's story is called One Leaf, Two Leaves, Count With Me. One leaf. Two leaves on the tree. Three leaves. Four leaves. Count with me. 5 leaves, 6 leaves way up high. 7 leaves, 8 leaves touch the sky. Nine leaves, 10 leaves, green and young. Here comes more leaves, spring has sprung. Leaves dance gaily, swing and sway. Breezy blue skies, summer day. Air grows chilly, whistling winds. Leaves change color, fall begins. 10 leaves, 9 leaves on the tree. 8 leaves, 7 leaves, count with me. 6 leaves, 5 leaves, yellow, brown. 4 leaves, 3 leaves, drifting down. 2 leaves, 1 leaf, orange, red. Soon some leaves become a bed. Rake leaves, take leaves, pile them high. Dash and crash and watch them fly. Wet wild weather on the way. Frosty freezing winter day. Leaves lie crumpled on the ground. Light white snowflakes swirl around. New buds stir high on the tree. Growing bigger, watch and see. Soon green leaves form, 1 to 10. Will sprout and grow, spring comes again. The end. 5 little leaves flying by my door. 1 red leaf flew away, and now there were 4. 4 little leaves clutching to a tree. 1 yellow leaf flew away, and then there were 3. 3 little leaves flying in the sky so blue. 1 orange leaf flew away, and then there were 2. 2 little leaves having lots of fun. 1 green leaf flew away, and then there was 1. 1 little brown leaf sitting in the sun. It flew away, and then there were none. This is our Take and Make Harvest Wreath craft. You're going to have a few things in your bag. There's going to be a paper plate, some happy little pumpkins, a happy little leaf, assorted leaves. You're going to have a string of twine and some paint. What you need to bring is a glue stick and a paintbrush. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our paper plate. I provided you with some orange paint. If you have a different color paint you'd like to use and you have paint at home, feel free to use that. You could also use markers, colored pencils, you could finger paint, whatever you want. We're going to get started by painting all over. If you want, you can even paint the back of your plate. Once your paint is all dry, you're going to take your twine and you're going to tie a knot and make a little loop in here so it can hang. You probably need an adult for this. So what you're going to do is lace your twine through, and then at the top, crisscross, wrap around, and tie a little knot. Move it so your knot's on the bottom. And there you go. That's how we're going to hang it. So now it's time for the fun part. We're going to decorate our harvest wreath with the stuff that I provided in your bag. You're going to take your glue stick and you're going to pick whatever you want. You don't have to use everything. And you're going to get gluing, okay? Here's my finished wreath. You can hang your wreath up on your door, on a doorknob, in your room, anywhere to celebrate the season. Hope you had fun with this craft. Bye!